going to show you a couple options on how to just record your lessons. I did on another video that I did of a tutorial of Zoom. You can record it from there, whether it's a live meeting or not. You can just start your own meeting and record it in that option. But also another option is screencast. The first time that you go to this website, it will have you download the program to your computer. It's all free. And then after that, well, you can pay for a version, but this version is free. And then just after that, you can just bookmark the website and continue that way. I pushed the record launcher. This is how I have been recording all my books. And then it always comes up with the open screen record launcher. I just make sure that I have both screen and webcam going in that aspect. And then I can X out of that. And then down here, I can leave the screen like this if I like. But I usually just make it the full screen version. And then I just click record. And I can record up to 15 minutes. And then when I'm done, I push the pause. I can trash it and start over again. I can play it so I hear what it sounds like. Or I can click done and then save and upload. Quick share, try that, save and upload. Also comes up with you can save it as a video file to your computer and then just upload it to your Google Classroom like a file. I think this might have to be the paid version, or you can upload it to YouTube. And I've also added my own YouTube video where I keep all my books. That obviously that's the link that I do, and that was all free in that aspect too. So then it just does all that, and that's it.